If your Sentiment scent diffuser suddenly stops releasing fragrance or just sits there with no response, it can feel like the whole setup has failed. You expect a steady aroma filling the room, but instead nothing happens. The thing is, these diffusers are very sensitive to setup, airflow, and internal connections. Even a small misalignment or blockage can stop the entire system from working properly. In many cases, the unit is still perfectly fine, it just needs a quick correction in how it's set up or running. Before you think about replacing it, there are a few smart checks that can bring it back instantly. Let's go step by step and get your diffuser working again. Try these first. 1. Make sure the diffuser is properly plugged in and receiving power. 2. Turn the unit off, wait briefly, then power it back on. 3. Open the diffuser and reseat the fragrance bottle correctly. 4. Check the nozzle area and clean any blockage or residue. 5. Increase the output or intensity setting from the control panel. 6. Let it run for a minute and confirm the scent starts dispersing.